Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Layout tab because that centralizes page settings. Once there, scan the margins, orientation, and size groups. They control spacing, page direction, and paper dimensions. Click Margins to pick a preset or choose Custom Margins to enter exact values. You should set orientation next so headers and footers stay consistent. Choose Portrait or Landscape. Make sure your printer supports the selected size. Once margins are defined, refine layout by adjusting gutters and columns. You enter custom margins to type precise measurements and set a gutter for binding. Apply it to the whole document or this section as needed. If you want multi-column text, click Columns and choose 2 or 3, then more columns to specify spacing and a vertical line. Make sure to preview with draft or print layout so you understand how text will reflow across pages. To finish, set paper size and insert page breaks or section breaks to control flow between different layouts. Use next page breaks for section-specific headers. Then check Print Preview to confirm pagination, margins, and headers/footers align. If content shifts unexpectedly, make sure styles aren't imposing large spacing, remove unnecessary section breaks, or update paragraph spacing. If problems persist, collapse the navigation pane and inspect sections individually. This isolates the offending break and lets you correct layout without redoing the whole document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.